by using composite road. On our QC team Phoenix, we have
myself Ali Parashe, I'm the team leader.
Myself Sudhar, team member.
Myself Vinay, team member.
myself Maharaj, team member.
JSW Group board. JSW is a multi-billion-dollar group present across India, USA, South America, Africa. And JSW Group has strong footprints in core economic sectors like steel, energy, cement, paint, and ventures. And these are the vision, purpose, and core values of our organization.
JSW Steel is the largest steel making capacity of 18 million tons per annum with 7 different locations in India.
JSW Steel Limited started in 1999 with capacity of 0.8 million ton. Now it is 18 million ton per annum.
JSW Steel is ranked 9th amongst the top 35 world-class steel makers.
JSW Steel Limited have widest customer base in Indian steel industry from HR value developed oil.
Our software continuous improvement, zero selective.
Zero for zero injuries, zero wastages, zero defects, and zero breakdowns.
7 by implementing 7 QC tools.
5 years on shop floor.
7 by eliminating 7 visitors.
Congratulations.
JSW Steel Vijayanagara Works wins the Coited Naming Prize for the year 2018.
This is a process flow of Vijayanagara Works iron making zone, which converts raw material into the molten iron.
Steel making zone, which converts molten iron into the liquid steel.
Mill zone produces HR coil, guarded coil, TMT bars. We are from Mill zone, Harvard Mill 2 department.
This is our team charter. Our team optimization of fast life to increase the equipment availability.
Process flow of DRM2. We receive the billet from SMS3 as a raw material, then the billet is reheated in the reheating furnace up to solid rotating Celsius. After that, the billet is rolled in several stands. In finishing stand, we are installed TMT safe ring and rolls. After that, the bar is quenching in water bath for attaining the thermomechanical properties. As per customer demand, we have got the bar weighted, bundled and sent to the customer.
These are the 12 steps of QC story approach for problem solving.
Identification of problem. During QC meeting, brainstorming sessions are conducted and 60 problems are identified which are validated through MOU, shift logbook and daily management board.
Selection of problems by ABC analysis. In here, we have selected 60 problems and those are categorized as ABC of departmental management wise. Here, A category problems can be solved by ourselves. B category problems need help of other department. In C category problems need help of management and huge investment. Here, in A category we have 30 number of problems. In B category we have 22 number of problems. In C category we have 8 number of problems.
So we consider 8 academic problem. Out of 30 problems, 13 problems are solved and 17 problems are remaining to be solved.
Selection of problem using ranking matrix. From the list of identified problems, we are selecting all the 17 A category problems by analyzing them, and we have regrouped into 5 different categories of problems in which we have found high ranking in low pass left and 14 in center line.
Milestone for activity. We have started our project November 2022 and completed January 2023 with capacity the is 95.
Definition of the problem. In Corona Mill 2, we have specialization in making of TMT parts. From the site, 10 mm to 40 mm and subsequently send the material directly to the customer as per the customer requirement. So, if any quality issues arises which will affect on the company reputation and the productivity, and these TMT parts are produced by rolling a hot plate into the multiple rolling stands followed by the guide to guide the billet into the rolling roll and the water headers to pull the rolling rolls.
What is the pass?
The path where the billet passes through the stand is not a path.
What is the river?
River is a reinforced steel used in concrete construction. Construction of structures like buildings, flavors, dams, etc.
What is the problem?
The problem is we are changing the finishing stand of the pass before the target tonnage due to some quality issues such as surface roughness, uneven surface, lower door and ring cutting. These high frequency pass changes reduce our mill down time and increase affect our production targets.
Now we are going to present a script about definition of problem. Myself Vinay and of picture.
Myself Maharashtra in charge.
Myself Sudhar, operation in charge.
Myself Kalipur, I am the controller.
Calling operation.
Operation online.
Just now we have checked that the ball condition was not good. So please change the stand.
Now, mill down time is very high. I cannot stop the mill in next to will change the stand.
That's okay, but as we have observed that the pass roughness is very high and rip and tip condition was not good. So please change the stand. I will just send the sample. Please check and do the stand change. Otherwise, I will hold the bundle.
Okay, mother, I am looking at something which is really good in roughness. I will talk with the rolls of stand. Calling rolls of
online.
Immediately send the stand footage to the mill.
Why just before goals was stand or change? Why you again asking for stand?
No, the current pass is very dull and you cannot roll on this pass. The team in charge also complaining on it. So you immediately send the stand.
Okay, but we have limited number of passes. If you change in high frequency of stand change, how can I manage the passes?
For this time, we send the stand, later on we will do brainstorming and find out the root cause.
Okay, keep me ready. I will be sending this stand.
Calling roller.
Alive?
We have talked to rolls of he is ready to send the stand. Please check and install in the mill.
Okay.
This is the customer complaint related to the surface defect in finishing bars. This is also customer complaint related to the surface defect in finishing bars.
These are our goals and objectives.
Objective 1,
Increase the pass life.
objective 2,
To decrease in the roll consumption.
objective 3,
To decrease the mill down time.
objective
To
4.
increase in the production in central and rolling.
So
our
our
goal
goal
is to increase the pass life of central and expansion.
Analyze the problem by using 4W1H. What is the problem?
The pass variable less pass life.
When does it happen?
Very soon after the pass change.
Where is the problem?
Finishing stand pass and finished product.
Who are affected?
Operation, quality, customer and the market.
How is it affected?
By increasing surface roughness in finishing bar.
Average pass tonnage liters is 25 and 32 RP. In 25 RP, average pass tonnage is 582 metric ton, and 32 RP average pass size 738 metric ton.
Identification of causes. By brainstorming method, we listed out various probable causes of this problem. By using these probable causes, we mapped affinity diagram for man, machine, material and method.
Identification of causes through CE diagram. Our problem is low pass life, so we map all the possible causes, sub causes and sub causes through man, machine, method and material.
Finding out the root causes. Validation of man-related causes. Lack of skill manpower.
Not pass.
Low consistency of work.
Not pass.
Ventilation of machine related causes, choking of water,
Valid cause.
discharge or malfunctioning.
Valid cause.
Addition of metal related causes. Damage of ventilator.
Valid cause.
Road material.
Valid cause.
Violation of method related causes. Collaboration.
Invalid cause,
Improper cooling.
valid cause.
Elimination of invalid causes through cause and effect diagram. Here, the data collected with the cause and effect diagram, here we are going to use Pareto analysis. From the Pareto analysis, we can observe that the 80% of problems can be caused by only 20% of causes. So, here in the graph we can see that the processing delay is more when compared to other delays. So, our objective is to increase the pass life and to avoid the processing delays.
From the histogram analysis, we found that in 25 RP, most of the passes lies between 561 tons to 651 tons, whereas in 32 RP, the most of the passes lies between 760 tons to 887 tons. So we decided to increase the pass life.
Development of solutions by innovative ideas, best practices and possible of solutions. For this development of solutions, we use round robin method of brainstorming, from which we got many ideas and suggestions to increase in the pass life. These are avoid the nozzles to get choke in the water heater,
Increase the pressure and flow of water and adding the extra nozzle in water heater.
By installing manual valve and finishing stand.
By increasing the roll hardness.
by changing the roll material from SIR to composite roll.
Ideation of solutions by using ICT matrix. ICT matrix means effect of idea, cost of implement, innovation quotient, time of implement, and easy of implement. By this ranking, we are selected adding the extra nozzle in water heater for extra water flow and changing the roll material SJR to composite roll.
We have developed the engineering modification from water header and the composite roll, use of composite roll. We have changed in water header. Before we are using 6 nozzle water header, and after that we are using 8 nozzle water header. And we are using composite roll. The composite is nothing but it is arbor and T-sealing is mounted on it and locked by the mechanical method. And T-sealing is known for high resistance to wear and good finish in good surface finish. If you compare the composite roll and SG roll, the composite roll is powder metrology, whereas in the SG roll is casting. And the wear resistance is high in composite roll and low in SG iron roll.
Forcing probable resistances. Resistance 1. The activity is increasing in the number of nozzles for the water heater.
What is the resistance?
It is not possible because the design water header has a limited number of water nozzles.
What is the solution?
Discuss with design team. We can use extra header with 4 nozzles.
Resistance 2. The activity is changing of roll material from SIR to composite roll.
What is the resistance?
The composite roll will break.
What is the solution?
Installation of cooling water flow meter and pressure gauges.
Resistance 3. The activity is notching of composite rolls.
What is the resistance?
The notching insert may break.
What is the solution?
Modify the feed rate and use PCT inserts.
Resistance 4. The activity is logo marking of composite roll by EDM machine.
What is the resistance?
The broke out area may crack.
What is the solution?
Use correct grinding parameters 6 amps for roughing and 4 amps for finishing.
Trial implementation of check performance. In trial implementation 1, here we are going to use PDCA cycle. Earlier we have used 6 nozzles in the water heater. Now in trial implementation 1, we are planning to add 2 more nozzles in the water heater for both top and bottom. So new design of water heater has been developed and also installed in the mill. The volume also increased from 180 mm to 260 mm for all the water heaters. After this, we have taken the trial and observed that the pass condition was good and also increased in the panel from 582 tons to 750 tons in 25 RP and from 738 tons to 850 tons in 32 RP.
This is a comparison of past life in PDCA after the PDCA 1. Before it was and after the PDCA, it is only 200 metric tons and past life is improved. So we are not satisfied with the improvement. So we are go for PDCA 2 where we are planned to use composite roll in 25 RP for finishing stand. So we have taken whole discard composite roll and grouping, notching and logo marking done. Then the stand is installed in the mill and tried taken view of the good past life. Before in SG roll, the average past life was 582 tons, whereas in composite roll we had more than 5,000 tons. Even after rolling 5,000 tons, the past condition was good and improved in the finishing past condition. If you compare the past with the SG iron, it is 10 times more than the SG iron roll.
Trail implementation number 3. You have to plan to use in 32 RP, finishing stand for 32 RP composite roll. We have to plan to use composite roll. With the available 4 composite rolls, grooving, notching and logo marking done, and rolls are installed in mill line, trail is taken. We observe past energy increase. Past energy increase from 738 ton to 8,190 ton after using the composite rolls. The pictures clearly shows TMT bar quality also good and past condition also good even after rolling 8,000 meter ton. And graph clearly shows increasing past energy by 10 times of the S0.
In this project, 3 by 3 measure. Measure 1.
Adding 4 nozzles in water to increase the water flow.
Measure number 2.
Improving the past life in 25 RP by using composite roll.
Measure number 3.
Improving the past life in 32 RP by using composite roll.
This is a training given after implementation. We train our people how to install the water jar and how to maintain the water flow. And we will prepare checklist of our supervisor is checking, observing the past condition every 4 hours and maintaining the record for that.
These are the objectives that we have achieved.
Improve the past life in 25 RP, 582 ton to 5,780 ton, 32 RP, 738 ton to 8,180 ton.
So our roll pass consumption was decreases and roll passing time also decreases.
Availability of mill and productivity increases.
Increase production per hour.
This is the appreciation letter we got from our HOD. Our PCT project has reduced the mill downtime and increased the mill utilization time.
Effective study of past analysis road in 25 RP, before and after the QC. Before QC project, average past analysis 582 ton. After the QC project, average past analysis 5,780 ton in 25 RP. Before QC project, average past consumption was 26 pass. Now we are using 2 to 3 passes in a month.
Completed study of past analysis before and after QC in 32 RP. Before the average past analysis was 738 tons in 32 RP and after it was 8,180 tons. The past consumption was 16 before the QC and after the QC it is 2 in a month.
Compared to study of past time before and after QC. In the graph, we can see that the past time delay has been reduced. So, which increases the equipment availability to increase in the production.
This is the regular review. We are checking all the given parameters and maintaining everything regularly, like RPM setting, glucose setting, water flow, and water soaking and circuit before the feeding.
Reason of standard operating procedure for past time.
Tangible benefits for this project, we have invested 31.1 lakhs for roll and machining cost, and from the downtime we have saved 452.3 lakhs. Finally, we saved in this project 4.21 crores.
Intangible benefits, enhanced problem solving capability,
Enhanced presentation skill,
Mutual understanding.
Increased knowledge and self-confidence.
follow-up review. By implementing HMS to track the past life or to flow and the pressure.
Training given after implementation to check the quality and follow the procedures.
we have completed our project according to Master chart.
Tool and technique used brainstorming, histogram,
The mean will affect the diagram.
Cause and effect diagram, Y analysis.
Control chart and checklist.
future plans, non-prudent strict line guideline to be implemented.
Reduction of the breakages.
Guide changing without using crane.
Roughing in past life to be improvement.
Thank you. This is our small demo of the stand. You can see in the market that TMT bars. TMT bar, which is rolled in, it is produced by the rolling. We have two rolls and it is rotating in opposite directions. And we have in this, it is a pass, it is roll having multiple passes. And in this pass, we are doing the notching and the logo. This is the logo of the brand. And our problem is that in 500 tons, 700 tons, the pass is getting wear out and the lead is getting dull. So we are changing the roll material from SG iron to composite roll. This is the composite roll demo. It is a composite roll. It is mainly TC ring tungsten carbide, and it is a arbor, and this is the TC rings which is mounted on it, and this is the locking process. This is the locking process. It is locked by the mechanical method. So we just change the material. So here it is hardness is high and wear resistance is high. So we are changing the for cutting. We are getting difficulty. So we are changing the inserts, turning tools, and the brandings also to logo, marking the logo. And finally, we are getting 10 times more than the past line. In PTCA 1, first we are changing the water dam. This is the water dam, so put the rules. Before it was 6 nozzles in this water dam, after that it has 8. So we are getting only 200 metric tons improvement. So we are changing the raw material and we are maintaining the water flow of 180 LPM. So in that we are getting 10 times more of the past tonnage. So for that, because it is getting wear, so we are changing one pass to another pass. It is taking 20 minutes to 30 minutes task. So we are saved 75.2 hours in this project in the total annually. So our project is to reduce the mill time, downtime. So we have saved 75.2 hours annually.
Yeah, good project, no doubt about it. Looking at the improvement that you have achieved.
So,
Okay. Now, it is not very clear. How did you freeze on the tungsten carbide material? Why not some other material? It's a sudden leak.
no sir. Sir, in this our mill, we have several kinds of sections. We can try 12 mm, 16 mm, the TMT bar you can see market, 16 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm, and 25, 30, 32. So small section, the small section for rolling small section, we are using tungsten carbide. For that, we are checking, getting more past tonnage. So we are thought is in mind. So same to be implemented in 32 more bigger size sections. So we decided to implement same in the roll also.
We proposed it to our HOD and he also agreed with it. So we have gone for it.
But tell me one thing, these three are from which company?
These three are contract company.
It says,
Yes.
So we have developed and
We are only 2 employees are there in the shop and the rest is the contract. So
sir,
to
we
complete that
are
in
developed as a bearing manufacturing company and we are doing technically service in there. So this is a stand in that is mainly bearings are there here and here in gearbox. So we are giving technical service to JSW Steels and NMS big steel industries. So we are sent to the project.
now I know why you jumped to tungsten carbide. You are from bearing company.
So what is the cost impact by changing this rule?
Sir, cost impact is we are because down the mill downtime, we are reduce the mill downtime and increase the mill utilization.
Cost impact means earlier what is the cost and what is
That's
the and what is the ROI of this?
Look.